Hi, my name is Mr. Ivan. I'm the Humanities Lead Teacher here at Illum. Welcome to Illum. So let's take a look at one of our classes. Let's go. From social studies, history, to geography, we pride ourselves from delivering the most impactful and engaging lessons for our students here at Illum. Afraid of sources? Don't know how to do essays? No worries. We here at Illum have created and designed carefully crafted resources and lessons from highly trained and experienced MOE teachers just to help students. Students here learn effective answering techniques that are concise, that help them create organized and well-structured essays, and also to create quality answers for their source-based questions. Rest assured, all our lessons are updated to the latest MOE syllabus in the Humanities subject. So don't leave your grades to chance. Come to the #1 Humanities Center and embark on the academic journey of excellence and get the A's that you deserve. Bye.